Welcome, here I've got POCO X3 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to more options we can manage, and now let's focus on the first settings bar here. So here we can control the aspect ratio of this camera. For now it's 3:4, let's change it to 1:1. And as you can see in the camera preview, the camera frame has changed, so the 1:1 ratio looks like that. We can easily change this also to 9:16, so this is a little bit longer one. And here we have also access to the full frame, so the full ratio of this camera. And in the camera preview, this is how it looks like. And by going again to the settings, we can easily go back to the original 3:4. And this is how it looks like. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.